Most sellers don't say yes because of your price, they say yes because of clarity. If you think wholesaling real estate is about offering the most money, you're missing what actually makes deals happen. In this video, I'll show you why motivated sellers say yes and what really matters in wholesaling conversations. Welcome back to the REI Edge. This channel is about real estate education without hype, clear fundamentals, smart decisions, and understanding how to wholesale real estate the right way. In the last video, we talked about where wholesale deals come from. Today, we're focusing on the moment those deals move forward, the seller conversation. Here's the biggest mistake beginner wholesale investors make. They think the seller only cares about price. In reality, most motivated sellers are dealing with stress, time pressure, uncertainty, properties they don't want to manage anymore. Price matters, but it's rarely the only factor. Sellers say yes when they feel understood and they're confident in the process. Motivated sellers usually want three things. Speed, they don't want to wait months. Simplicity, no showings, no repairs, no banks. And certainty, a clear plan and a clear timeline. When you provide those three things, you separate yourself from 90% of all investors who only talk numbers. That's why real estate wholesaling works when done professionally. Think about it from the seller's perspective. If someone explains the process clearly, sets expectations honestly, doesn't pressure them, answers questions calmly, that person feels safer even if the wholesaler's offer is lower. Clarity creates confidence, clarity creates trust, and trust moves deals forward. Experienced real estate wholesalers don't rush to the price. They ask questions first, listen more than they talk, explain how the process works, then present the offer calmly. They don't sound desperate, they don't oversell, and they don't argue. They guide. That's the difference between sounding like a beginner and sounding like a professional real estate investor. Sellers don't say no just because the price is low. They say no because they don't understand the wholesaling process. They feel rushed or pressured. They don't trust what happens next. Or the investor sounds unsure. Fix the communication and many no's turn into conversations. At the REI Edge, we teach wholesaling as a communication and decision-making skill. We focus on how to talk to motivated sellers professionally, how to make wholesale offers clearly, how to create certainty without pressure. Because when sellers say yes, it's rarely about winning on price. It's about winning on clarity. If you want to learn how to negotiate and communicate like a pro with motivated sellers, subscribe to the REI Edge. In the next video, we'll break down how to make an offer in real estate wholesaling without sounding inexperienced, even if you're brand new. Because in wholesaling, confidence isn't loud, it's clear, and clarity is the edge.